Hello, and welcome to Tiny Gems. This is a game I found on itch.io. It's called Afternoon Spaghetti. It's what I believe to be 1 to 3 minute game. Very short, very small, very tiny. Let's get into it. As you know, I haven't really done voiceovers or anything, but I've made a couple videos already. This will be my first voiceover video. What drew me to this game was really the art style, to be honest, and sort of how it was so out there. I think this was in the new and featured section. Really love this. Hey, I'm making spaghetti. Could you pass me some cheese? Okay. Where is it? There should be some in the fridge. Hello, Mr. Um, I don't know if you are a Mr. Hello, person. Cooking spaghetti. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh. Well, I don't see any cheese so far. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, half a toilet. Okay. With half water floating. This is trippy. Tom Wagner. Undesirable political landscapes. Art on canvas. Lannis Petrus. Unexpected disruption. Art on canvas. Oh. Kai Fields. Existential man. That is a very existential man indeed. Oh. Oh, I really like this one. This is cute. Adriana Cho, emotional consequences of advanced interhuman communication. Deep. Oh, hold on. I'm supposed to walk through the door. What is it? Desire. Is this telling us something? A desire for cheese. Perceptions of aesthetic form. Lily Hampson. Someone's fridge. Oh, cheese. See, guys, appreciating the art gets you somewhere. Get you somewhere. Not very far. It might just be a slice of cheese, or maybe a triangle. But that's okay. Linus P. Sultana. Three-dimensional existence on a two-dimensional plane. Hello, person. How is the spaghetti? Thanks. Did you know that the back of your fridge is currently on display at an art student show somewhere on the planet Earth? Wow. That's an extraordinarily long way away. Where would I be without you? Well, that was Tiny Gems. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping. It was a wonderful time. I think the art was beautiful. If you're looking for something to just drop into and experience for a couple minutes, look at some pretty shapes. Oh? Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Shelf. Well, that's that.